Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to study SQL table joins and operations on relations. So what is table join? The first question is what is table join? Join means when we are querying out the information from two or more tables together at one platform in one window. So it is called as joining of two tables, and it is possible only if we join two tables, right? An SQL join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a condition or common field between them. दो या दो से ज़्यादा टेबल से अगर आप ज्वाइन कराना चाहते हैं, उनमें से दोनों में से कुछ कॉलम्स डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं, क्वेरी आउट करना चाहते हैं, देन you have to join the two tables based on some condition, and that condition will be based on some common column of the two tables, right? There must be a common column between two tables, then only joining is easily we can join two tables and we can retrieve information from those tables. While querying for a join, more than one table is considered in the from clause. जब आप ज्वाइन करते हैं तो फ्रॉम में आप एक टेबल का नाम लिखते थे, पहले सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम ईएमपी जैसे लिखते थे, अभी अभी इसमें दो टेबल का नाम लिखो, सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम ईएमपी कॉमा डीपीटी. So there are two tables in the from clause. Out of these two tables we are able to query out any number of columns either from first table or from second table. The process of combining data from multiple table is called join. Okay. SQL can extract data from two or more tables, more than two tables, related tables, by performing a join on the table using where clause, and joining is done using where clause. So where में आप join करेंगे, अभी तक वेयर में खाली आप फिल्टर कंडीशन लगाते थे, अभी वेयर में आप ज्वाइनिंग कंडीशन भी लगा सकते हैं. देयर आर वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ ज्वाइंस. फर्स्ट वन इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट या क्रॉस ज्वाइन भी इसको कहते हैं. इक्वी ज्वाइन, नेचुरल ज्वाइन, नॉन नेचुरल ज्वाइन, लेफ्ट ज्वाइन, राइट ज्वाइन, नॉन इक्वी ज्वाइन, एंड मे बी इनर ज्वाइन, आउटर ज्वाइन एंड सेल्फ ज्वाइन, ये भी है. But that is not part of our curriculum, so I am not going to discuss about that. So let's discuss only these joins. Out of these 7 joins, we in this video will be discussing up to non-natural join only. Rest of the joins will be discussed in the next coming video. Fine. So let us start with Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a term used in relational algebra when two tables are joined without any binding conditions. Such type of join is called unrestricted join, and the result produced is called the Cartesian product or cross product, and it is also called as cross join. से अगर दो टेबल ज्वाइन की जा रही है, उसमें कोई ज्वाइनिंग कंडीशन नहीं दी जा रही है, कोई कॉमन कॉलम पर बेस्ड कंडीशन नहीं दी जा रही है कि ऐसा कोई कॉलम हो जो दोनों टेबल्स में हो, उस पर बेस्ड कोई देयर इज नो एनी कंडीशन डिफाइंड. So such join is unrestricted join and called as cross join, and it will result into Cartesian product or cross product. What is cross product? A cross product of two tables consists of all possible combinations of rows coming from two or more tables. दो या दो से ज़्यादा टेबल्स के जो ऑल पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, वही उसका क्या कहलाता है, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. सपोज कीजिए कि हमारे एक टेबल में 3 रिकॉर्ड हैं, दूसरे में 2 रिकॉर्ड हैं, तो इसके 6 कॉम्बिनेशंस बनेंगे. ओके. फर्स्ट रो ऑफ फर्स्ट टेबल विल ज्वाइन फर्स्ट रो ऑफ सेकेंड टेबल. Then first row of first table will join second row of second table. Then second row of first table with first row of second table. इस तरह से ये join करता रहेगा. And combined result together is going to be displayed from both the tables. Although Such results are never not usable anywhere, uh, but it is a type of operation being represented by Cartesian product in relational algebra. Just to clear the concept, what is join? It is a binary operation denoted by a cross. It is binary operation since there are two tables being used in this, participating in this to find out the cross product. That is why it is binary operation. Cardinality of a Cartesian product is the product of cardinalities of two participating table. जो cardinality यानी कि rows को हम number of rows are called as cardinality of the table. So the cardinality of one table multiplied by cardinality of second table will be the cardinality of resultant cross product. I mean Cartesian product की जो cardinality पूछी जाए तो first table की cardinality multiplied by the cardinality of second table. Cardinality here means number of rows in the table. And degree of Cartesian product, दोनों टेबल्स जो आप कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हैं उसकी डिग्री क्या होगी? दैट इज सम ऑफ द डिग्रीज ऑफ द टू पार्टिसिपेटिंग टेबल्स. Means the degree of first table plus degree of second table is the degree of Cartesian product of those two tables. Now this Cartesian product can be shown through this diagram. Suppose we have two tables, one is having a event ID description then user ID, another one is having user ID and name. Here you can say this table, second one having user ID as primary key and one more column, and first table is having event ID as primary key, description, another column user ID as foreign key, because this column is coming from here it is working as a primary key. इन दोनों का हम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा? इस रो के साथ इसका एक कॉम्बिनेशन, उसी रो के साथ इसका दूसरा कॉम्बिनेशन, देन सेकेंड रो के साथ इसका फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन और सेकेंड कॉम्बिनेशन. यू कैन सी first row of first table and first row of second table, first row of first table and second row of second table, second row of first table and first row of first table, second row of second table and first row second row of second table. So इतने combinations बने यानी कि 2 rows multiplied by 2 rows that is 4. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि इस क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट जो सामने आया है what is its cardinality, तो obviously you will say 4 since there are 4 rows 1 2 3 4. And what is cardinality of first table? It is 2. What is cardinality of second table? It is 2. So 2 plus 2, 2 to the 4. 2 cross 2 is 4. If I say what is the degree of these two, I mean Cartesian product, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? The degree of this plus degree of this. यहाँ देखिए आप degree of this plus degree of this, यानी कि there are first table's degree is 3 and second table's degree is 2 since there are two columns. In this there are 3 columns, so resultant जो आपका Cartesian product आ रहा है उसकी डिग्री होगी 5. 3 plus 2 that is 5. Here also it has been shown through diagrammatic representation कि 1 is being combined with 1 with 2 with 3. 2 is being combined with 1 2 3. 3 is being combined with 1 2 3. So 3 3 are 9 combinations. So this is what called as Cartesian product. Let us see it practically. In this practical example, you can see what is happening in this. Select star from department table. There is a department table having 4 rows and 3 columns. Department number, department name and location. There is some company having these 3 columns: department number, department names and location of that particular department at various places in Delhi, suppose. Select star from AMP is displaying employee number, employee name, job, salary, join date and department number to which this employee belongs. अगर इसका डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20 है, दैट मीन्स ही बिलोंग्स टू अकाउंट एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट विच इज लोकेटेड एट उत्तम नगर. Fine. So these two tables are related. Why it is related? You can say because the primary key department number is here in this table DEPT, and in EMP table department number is foreign key. Okay, that is why there is a relationship between these two tables on the common column department number. Okay, so this is your master table. DEPT is a master table because on the common column it is having primary key, unique value for each row, and here these values are being repeated. That is why it is a child table. EMP is a child table and DEPT is a master table or parent table. Select star from EMP comma DEPT. So out of this you can see select star from EMP comma DEPT is calculating the cross product of these two tables. 28 rows being represented here, 28 combinations are there because there are 4 rows in first table and 7 rows in second table. So total 28 combinations. Each row of first table is being joined with each row of second table. Here you can say 1101, 1101, 1101, 1101 4 times. That means there are 4 records in 2 tables. So EMP's one record of EMP table is being combined with 4 records of DEPT table. So thereby it is creating a cross product and having 28 combinations, 28 rows. And you can see one thing more, that all columns of employee number and e-name job एम्प्लॉय टेबल के सारे कॉलम इसमें दिख रहे हैं आपको, और डिपार्टमेंट टेबल के भी सारे कॉलम आपको दिखाई पड़ रहे होंगे. यू कैन सी all the columns of EMP table and all the columns of DEPT tables are being shown in this result. If you want to see it practically, I can show you practically also. Let us go to MySQL. Here I have already used database D2. There are 2 tables I am showing you already made. Select star from EMP. This is your EMP table. Then select star from DEPT. This is your department table. If I write here select star from EMP comma DEPT, you will have cross product, that is 28 combinations. These are 28 rows. 1101, 1101, 1101, 1101 4 times means this employee, because they are to be combined with these 4 departments. 1102 employee number is again combining with these 4 records. Although this is completely irrelevant, कोई relevancy नहीं है कि 1101 is working in account, admin, sales and advertise, all department, but this is a concept of joining through cross product. It has been shown to you. Okay, and one thing more you have seen, the same can be done using this command also. Select star from EMP join DEPT, and that can also be done. Select star from EMP, select star from EMP, यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं join also, JOIN, join DEPT. The same result you will get. Another alternate is, there is another alternate also. Select star from EMP. In place of join we can also write cross join. See, cross join. So in all cases it is producing the same result, that is 28 rows. Always it is cross product. It is called as cross product. See, these three examples has been given. Select star from EMP cross join DEPT. Select star from EMP join DEPT. Select star from EMP comma DEPT. All these three are the examples of cross join. How to write this command? Next, restricted join या simply join. ऐसी select queries जिसमें हम condition देते हैं based on common column of both the table and related records are displayed from two tables. उसमें तो क्या था? Unrelated records, completely irrelevant records. 1101 जो आपका स्मिथ है, ये क्लर्क है और 20 डिपार्टमेंट में है, अकाउंट से 20 डिपार्टमेंट, तो 20 का 10 के साथ क्या रिलेशन है? डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20 शुड मैच विद डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20 एंड दैट इज अकाउंट्स ओनली. द सेम रिकॉर्ड 1101 एम्प्लॉय इज being joined with record now, I mean department number 20 also admin, so that is completely incorrect. अगर इसको हम देखें कि ये रिलेवेंट रिकॉर्ड है फ्रॉम रिलेटिव रिकॉर्ड से फ्रॉम टू टेबल्स, तो नो, it is not related records from two tables. Okay, related records will be in restricted join or simply join. वेयर क्लॉज में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये कॉमन कॉलम आपको दिख रहा है, डिपार्टमेंट नंबर एंड हियर आल्सो डिपार्टमेंट नंबर. These are two tables. EMP has been shown and department table has been shown to you. So common column is department number in both the tables. On the basis of this you can join. How you can join? You will write where clause, where this department number matches with this department number, its corresponding detail should be displayed, that is accounts and RK Puram. अगर इस टेबल का डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 10 इसके डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 10 से मैच करता है, तो इस एम्प्लॉय के सामने, महादेवन के सामने अकाउंट्स और आरके पुरम आना चाहिए. डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20 के सामने क्या आना चाहिए? एडमिन एंड उत्तम नगर शुड बी प्लेस्ड अगेंस्ट डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20. तब तो ये भाई रिलेटेड रिकॉर्ड्स आर वैलिड, अदरवाइज इनवैलिड. व्हाट इज इट्स यूज? ऑफ नो यूज. सी, तो वेयर क्लॉज के साथ इसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ज्वाइनिंग कंडीशन लिख देते हैं, सो दैट द रिलेटेड रिकॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम टू टेबल्स गेट डिस्प्लेड इन द final query output. If no longer be a Cartesian product, it will no longer be a Cartesian product. That means ये आपका unrestricted join नहीं है, बल्कि क्या है, restricted joins. Unrestricted join means Cartesian product. It will now be called restricted join or simply a join. See, now I am joining these two tables, EMP and DEPT, on the basis of a column department number. How? Select E name, D name. Suppose मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसमें ये स्मिथ है, स्मिथ जो है इसका किस डिपार्टमेंट में काम करता है, I want to know. Although I know his department number, that is 20, but I want to know his department name. So that name will come out from here. That means admin में वो काम कर रहा है. तो इसको हम कैसे निकालें? हमने लिखा select e name comma d name, e name from this table and d name from this table. From emp comma dept, from में आपने दो टेबल्स मेंशन की, where e name is equal to Smith and now अब e name equal to Smith means it is a filter condition. अब ये after and whatever you are writing is known as join condition. emp.deptno is equal to dept.deptno. What does it means? Because we can't write deptno equal to deptno. It has no sense, because deptno is present in two tables, in emp as well as in dept. So if you will write deptno equal to deptno, MySQL will get confused from which table the deptno. So that table name has to be mentioned, where and emp dot dptno means table emp का dptno column डिपार्टमेंट टेबल के DPTNO कॉलम से जो मैच करे उसका करेस्पॉन्डिंग डिटेल विल बी डिस्प्लेड. What detail? E name and D name. See, E name is Smith because where condition you have put, that is Smith, and his department is admin. You can see the admin department number is 20. Here is Smith department number is 20. That is why it is displaying admin after joining these two tables. This is what actual join. What join says. What join should be. Should drag out related values, related records, related rows, related data items from two or more tables based on some common field. Common field means common column. Here in our case department number. Fine. So this is what restricted join or simply join. Now another question is, what is equijoin? Equijoin is a terminology being used here because these common columns are being compared for equality while joining these two tables. While joining these two tables, EMP and DEPT, as you have seen earlier, those two tables I am talking about, EMP table and DEPT table, out of it, you want to retrieve all the columns, suppose, and they should be related. I want that related columns between those two tables should be displayed on the screen. So that is due to equijoin. Equijoin is a join in which common column of two tables are compared for equality is known as equijoin. known की spelling ठीक कर लेना, KNOWN, known as equijoin. Here select star. Star means all columns from both the tables, from EMP, DPT, from both the tables, where they will join on the basis of EMP.DEPTNO equal to DEPT.DEPTNO. Since these DEPTNO of both the tables, EMP table से DEPT table से, they are being compared for equality. यहाँ पर equal sign से comparison है, that is why it is called as equijoin. Now you can think, is there any join which cannot be compared with equality operator? Is there any join or not? Answer is yes. That is called as non-equijoin. उसे ही हम non-equijoin कहते हैं, in which the common column from both the fields, both the tables are not being compared using equality operator. So those type of joins will be called as non-equijoins. Clear? But here it is a drawback that same column number from two tables are being displayed twice, department number and department number, whereas these two department numbers are matching. So if this department number column which is appearing twice, one from EMP table and one from DPT table, but their values are matching, if this department two columns of similar type, identical type, appear once in the result, no any column gets repeated, every column is being displayed in the query output unique number of times, so such join will be called as natural join. इसे हम फिर natural join भी एक टर्म दे सकते हैं अगर ये डिपार्टमेंट नंबर केवल एक बार यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो, in place of it is being displayed in two columns with the same values. So such query will be natural join. Natural के साथ साथ it will be equijoin too. Okay. Right now it is non-natural join because identical column from two tables is being displayed twice or more than once within the query output, then it is said to be non-natural join. अगर ये एक बार अपीयर हो जाए रिजल्ट में तो वो नेचुरल ज्वाइन है. Since common columns are being compared for equality, that is why it is called as equijoin too. Fine. I think you have understood it. Next, see table alias. It is a terminology. Try to understand the term. It is a temporary label given along with table name in from clause. You can see in the from clause here in this command we are using from emp. Earlier I was using select star from emp comma dept. Now in this command I am using select star from emp space e comma dept space d. What does it mean? It means the temporary label name for emp table has been changed to e. Temporary label name for DEPT table has been changed to D. Now D dot column name can be referred for department tables column. E dot column name can be referred for employee tables column. Fine. That is why here in join condition in place of writing emp dot deptno equal to dept dot deptno, here we are writing e dot deptno means table alias dot equal to d dot department number. Fine. Table alias is being used. This is what called as table alias. E and D. That has made it is temporary name, shortcut name. Suppose your table name is too long and it takes long in writing the table name itself. So you can take some short name or short label, and in place of writing table name in joining condition और anywhere for referring the column, इस कॉल किसी भी कॉलम को रेफर करने के लिए हम अगर ई डॉट करके लिख रहे हैं, अगर मैं लिखता हूं ई डॉट ई नेम, ई डॉट सेल, दैट मीन्स वी आर रेफरिंग एम्प्लॉय टेबल्स ई नेम एंड सेल कॉलम, राइट. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज क्वालिफाइड नेम ऑफ द कॉलम. जैसे यहां पर आपको दिख रहा है ई डॉट डिपार्टमेंट नंबर, दैट मीन्स एम्प्लॉय टेबल का डिपार्टमेंट नंबर. So what is this? This is a called as qualified column name. डिपार्टमेंट नंबर का नाम क्या है यहाँ पर? क्वालिफाइड कॉलम नेम. क्वालिफाइड कॉलम नेम इज रिटन एज alias name dot column name. Fine. By default the table name itself is the alias name. That is why in previous commands I had written where emp.deptno equal to dept.deptno, because by default the table name itself is an alias name. सपोज आप emp स्पेस ई नहीं लिखते हैं, dept स्पेस d नहीं लिखते, you are not defining the temporary label name, temporary alias of that particular table, so you can use table name itself as alias name, table name itself as alias name. Fine. Either you define the alias with temporary names or otherwise by default table name ही जो है वो alias name है. तो हम यहाँ पर टेबल नेम डॉट कॉलम नेम से रेफर कर सकते हैं किसी भी कॉलम को फ्रॉम बोथ द टेबल्स. टेबल एलियस समझ में आया? इन शॉर्ट आई कैन से दैट टेबल एलियस इज ए टेम्पोररी नेम गिवन टू द table for a particular select command, select query. Not always, that alias name will not always be there for that particular select command, for that particular select query. Okay. Now natural join, as I told you earlier also that natural join is a join in which every identical column is appearing only once. जिसमें दो टेबल के आइडेंटिकल कॉलम्स जो हैं, एक जैसा जो कॉलम देखने में है, वो रिजल्ट में हमारे इस आउटपुट में केवल एक बार दिखाई पड़े. अभी पीछे आपने देखा था दो बार दिख रहा था डिपार्टमेंट नंबर, दैट वाज ए कॉमन कॉलम इन द टू टेबल्स. Here you can see this department number is appearing only once. That is why it is known as natural join. ये जो कॉमन कॉलम है अगर किसी रिजल्ट में दो बार आए तो वो जो है नॉन नेचुरल ज्वाइन है, और अगर वो एक ही बार अपीयर हो कॉमन कॉलम फ्रॉम टू टेबल्स appearing only once, so it is said to be natural join. Natural join can also be done using this command select star from emp natural join dpt. This is a short cut statement using natural join keyword. इसको आप बीच में लगा करके So automatically MySQL will search out of those two tables which one is common column. On the basis of that column, it will display the matching results of two tables. Here you can see select star from EMP natural join DEPT लिखने से आपका department number has come in front. Okay, there are 3 employees in department number 10, 2 employees in department number 20, 2 employees in department number 30. Against these, there are other columns value from two tables. See, department number 10, it is accounts. Department number 10 again, it is accounts. Now it is relevant record. Record number 20, department number 20 representing admin. Department number 30 representing sales, their corresponding locations. Now your data is correct. The matching data from two tables is being displayed based on common column, say department number, and that MySQL manages itself, that MySQL takes care itself which one is the common column in between two tables and how to join these two tables. So आपने सीखा कि एक तो ऐसे आप नेचुरल ज्वाइन बना सकते हैं, सेलेक्ट ई डॉट स्टार dname dot comma location from empe comma dptd where e dot department number equal to d dot department number. So this is you are taking alias name. e dot star का मतलब क्या हो गया, एम्प्लॉय टेबल के सारे कॉलम डिस्प्ले हो रहे हैं. अब मैंने डिपार्टमेंट टेबल के सारे कॉलम ना डिस्प्ले करके हमने डी नेम और लोकेशन डिस्प्ले किया, तो क्या बच गया, डिपार्टमेंट नंबर हमने नहीं डिस्प्ले किया. वी हैव नॉट डिस्प्ले डिपार्टमेंट नंबर ऑफ DEPT टेबल. So that is why it is not coming two times, otherwise it could have come two times. Therefore your department number is appearing only once in the query result, and therefore it is said to be kya, natural join. This is manually we are making natural join, and this is the keyword is sufficient enough to create a natural join between two tables. Okay, तो वहां मैं सोच समझ करके वही कॉलम डिस्प्ले कराया हूं सेलेक्ट के थ्रू फ्रॉम टू टेबल्स which are unique from within two tables. E dot star सारे कॉलम, D name department name. Why I have not written D dot D name? डिपार्टमेंट का एलियस तो D है, तो I could write D dot D name and D dot location. Why don't we write? Because if it is not a common column, if it is a unique column, there is no need of writing qualified name, that is D dot D name. Okay, अगर D name दूसरी टेबल में भी होता तो I must write whether it is E dot D name or D dot D name. वो एम्प्लॉय टेबल का D name है या डिपार्टमेंट टेबल का D name है, तब आपको उसे MySQL के लिए क्लियर करना होता. So select E dot star all columns of employee table, D name and location from department table from EMPE DPTD where E dot DPTNO is equal to D dot DPTNO department number. So this is your join condition, and selection of column has been done individually, which is not being repeated in two tables. कॉमन कॉलम को EMP से डिस्प्ले किया गया और डिपार्टमेंट से डिस्प्ले ही नहीं किया गया क्योंकि वो चीजें मैचिंग हैं. ऑल राइट, इज इट क्लियर अबाउट नेचुरल ज्वाइन? ओके, लेट अस प्रोसीड नेक्स्ट. नेचुरल ज्वाइन पर और सारा एग्जांपल आपके सामने है. नेचुरल ज्वाइन में आप फिल्टर भी लगा सकते हैं लास्ट में. Select star from EMP natural join DEPT. Up to this point, all records have been naturally connected, naturally related, and naturally displayed. That means without repetition of any column, it is being displayed. Each column is being displayed only once. And within that, you can put where condition also if required, where sale is greater than 40,000. So only those records will be displayed after joining which are having salary greater than 40,000. There are two records only, and in these two records you can see department number, employee number, e-name, job, cell, join date. यहाँ तक तो EMP टेबल है और डिपार्टमेंट टेबल से डी नेम और लोकेशन आ गया और ये कॉमन कॉलम है आपका डिपार्टमेंट नंबर. सो दिस इज अपीयरिंग ओनली वंस, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नेचुरल ज्वाइन. अगर एक से ज़्यादा बार डिपार्टमेंट नंबर इसमें आ जाता तो वो नॉन नेचुरल ज्वाइन हो जाता. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पर यूजिंग एक क्लॉज है. बाय यूजिंग I mean by, you can say, having using clause, you can also create a natural join. Select star from EMP, join DPT using कॉमन कॉलम का नाम लिख दिया गया है यहाँ पर. तो अब आपके सामने यहाँ भी जो है what is coming out, this is a result of natural join is coming out because department number is appearing only once within the result. Fine. So remember that there is a using clause. Through this clause we can also create a natural join. Okay, and there is a natural join keyword itself which will automatically make natural join of two tables. Now यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे नॉन नेचुरल ज्वाइन बट इक्वी ज्वाइन. Select star from EMP, comma DEPT, where EMP.DEPTNO equal to DEPT.DEPTNO. As you know, we have done it earlier. This is non-natural. This is non-natural. Select star क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पर? Department number twice. It is being displayed. Common column is being displayed twice. That is why it is non-natural join. Select star from EMP, join department on then similar type of join condition, EMP dot department number equal to DPT dot department number. on का यूज यहाँ किया गया है. select star from EMP, join का यूज किया गया है. select star from EMP, join DPT another table, then on लिख करके then joining condition has been done. So such join is also known as non natural join. Here you can say department number. The same identical column is appearing more than once within a query result. It is said to be non-natural join. Okay, so that is why this is making non-natural. एक तो आपका मैनुअल है नॉन नेचुरल और एक क्या है ये ऑन का यूज करके नॉन नेचुरल है. इसके बाद बाकी जो कमेंट्स हैं, बाकी जो ज्वाइंस हैं, दैट वी विल डू in the next adjacent video, next coming video. I think you have understood it well. There should not be any problem in understanding the join that I have taught right now. इसमें आपने पढ़ा क्रॉस ज्वाइन, then natural join, non natural join, equi join. So that's it about today's video. If you like and understand this video, please like, share and subscribe, and forward this video to your friends also. Watch the video again and again and prepare for the examination and get good marks. Thank you so much.